MGM Grand has the longest hallways I've ever seen in my life. It's like a 2-mile run.
What's up?
Not there yet. Almost. Let's go. I did it.
Welcome to MGM Grand in Las Vegas, the biggest hotel on the strip.
So today we're gonna review the room, pools, common grounds, and besides we're going to a dinner and a show. So stick around and you're gonna see everything at MGM Grand. This is our second stay with MGM Grand. We've stayed here a couple years ago in one of their larger suites, but we've received so many requests from you, our subscribers, to review their smallest basic room. So here we are at the West Wing King, and let's see what we're gonna get. Depending on the day of the week, it can cost you anywhere from $100 per night to $400 or $500 per night.
Worth it? Let's check what do we have here. It's a small room, New York style, but it's cute. Here we have large king bed, working table, 2 nightstands, beautiful art, and the super comfy chair, same style New York, love it. So here in this room we have a lot of mirrors, each corner has for 2 mirrors. Let's go and check the bathroom. So here you are, it's an open style bathroom with separate restroom and separate shower. And here we have one sink with 3 shelves. And I love the style, it's like a loft, new modern style. You feel like in New York here.
MGM Grand opened 27 years ago, and at that moment it was the largest hotel complex in the world. They have almost 7,000 rooms. Can you imagine? Besides, MGM Grand has one of the largest arenas for concerts and different boxing tournaments. So it's very convenient if you are going to one of those concerts to stay here. But don't get lost, it's huge.
So, what I don't like in this room, this chair, because like room is renovated, but chair 27 years old probably. And also, this guy has damage, you know? This nightstand has air condition and some hole. So you can like accidentally drop something, your key or wallet inside, and you need to get some assistance. And also this nightstand, it's not working at all. But I love this bed because this base has cut corners and you can go without any bumps. And you don't have any bruises on your legs. So, and guys, don't forget to lock your valuables here in the closet. We have some safe. Yeah, let's go to explore.
Why did you hide?
Because the closet is so big.
What's up?
I can close it.
Sorry, I think it doesn't work.
It's not working. So sometimes you need to take your valuables with you. Let's go explore common ground.
Floor 12. Going down.
You need a key to get inside.
Oh, place over here.
No, I mean, go downstairs, it's fine, but if you want to go up, you need a key. So you can't just crush the party here if you don't stay here.
and I'm surprised. The restaurant is very busy. Everyone dreaming about this food. And me as well. I wanna try this signature pizza and medium well burger with fries. And I checked the fries if good enough. Let me try this pizza. It's good.
A couple of days in Las Vegas on this 120 heat and you are going crazy. Is that to access pool you need to walk all the way through casino. Yeah, wearing your like swimsuits, naked, and with all this swimming greens.
Hello.
Alright,
Thank you.
guys. Like a lazy river?
Yes, I like. Wow.
So now let's check the dusty places. It's not a lot of you can reach, but let's start from this guy. Here is clean. Let's check this art. Not too bad. Here is clean. Let's
Right.
check TV. Yeah, TV is clean. So let's check the mattress. So the mattress is clean. A little bit old but clean. They have like a feather mattress cover. Let's try it now. How comfy. No, we don't have any carpet here. You need to wear slippers.
I love his shoes.
Oh, thank you, babe. This is my favorite.
So cool.
Yes. So the bathroom is clean. What happened in Vegas? Stay in Vegas. So I'm actually surprised because like everything is good for this small room.
We are going to this one in the evening. I highly recommend that when you are in Vegas to check one of the Cirque du Soleil shows. MGM owns all of them. So the one at Wynn Hotel and the one at Bellagio, they're amazing. You should check them out. So as we are leaving, overall we have very mixed feelings about this stay. On one hand, the design is pretty cool. You feel like you are in a small part of New York, but in Vegas. On the other side, we found so many small things that did not work right, and especially the air conditioner. So the positioning is just awful. So it's just next to your head, and as it's super hot right now in Las Vegas, so I couldn't sleep at night, or it was either very hot or you had to have this conditioner on and just, you know, walk around until the whole room chills out. But if you have tickets for any show, once again, you can find a better location and a better place to stay. As we always say, your personal experience depends so much on the room that you stay in. So maybe go with a little bit bigger room. Comment below if you want us to review any other hotel in the United States or in the world, and we'll look at it, and maybe next time we're gonna see your hotel.
So subscribe to our channel and see you next video.
How do you like the soundproof of this room?
It's in a room? No, it's inside.
It's
In
outside.
the hall.
Yeah.
No proof.
Hey, Jim.
This is the room.
Hello, neighbors.
Hello, neighbors.